Just a quick question for everybody. Is it conspiracy theory to suggest that the people who profit from our sickness might want us to be sick? Does that seem like conspiracy theory, or does that seem like common sense? I'm forgetting which one is which, because we live in a very upside down world right now. But I think it's not conspiracy theory to say that the people whose profits are directly aligned with how sick we are might want us to be sick, right? They might want us to have mental health issues. They might want us to have all sorts of health issues. That's not conspiracy theory to suggest that. I don't think. But what do you think? Do you think that's conspiracy theory? Let me know. Either way, guys, the honking stops when freedom improves, so. This is only going to get bigger. It's not going to get smaller. You can be on the right side of history early, or you can jump on the bandwagon at the last minute. It's up to you.